So this is the marketplace. Maybe I've showed it before in one of my other videos, but I thought I'd just show it again from the outside rather than showing how to buy and what to buy. This is the market area, and it goes all the way up here, and it goes down the street also, and I think it goes to another street left or right. But this is the area where you get all your food from, and it leads down to quite close to the walking street. And there's all sorts of different market stuff, and there's the shops that have spices and stuff like that. So you can get you can get all the fruits and vegetables that you need here, and then like your rice and your spices and stuff. They've got other shops where you can get stuff like that, cleaning products and other things like that. This is this is where you get things for cheaper, basically, rather than always being served. So if you're into cooking, this is where you'd want to be, I suppose.